Terra Universal's BioSafe wall panel system simplifies cleanroom construction by combining next-generation regulatory-compliant designs with modular speed and flexibility. Suitable for ISO Class 4 cleanrooms and cGMP manufacturing operations, the BioSafe wall panel system features seamless monolithic walls and ceilings with fully coved corners. These pre-engineered modular panels streamline installation, reduce costs, and allow easy reconfiguration. BioSafe wall panels feature cGMP-compliant 304 and 316 stainless steel, or pre-coated UPVC steel that can handle frequent washdowns with aggressive chemical sterilants like hydrogen peroxide. Wall panels are available with aluminum honeycomb for fire resistance and foam-insulated cores for temperature control applications like cold rooms and dry rooms. Panels easily accommodate a variety of cleanroom window and door configurations, plus other cleanroom components such as pass-through chambers and air showers. The highly adaptable design offers far greater customization than traditional modular cleanrooms, with no limits on room size, shape, or floor layout, and configurable to be completely freestanding. The uniform solid ceiling panels are easy to clean and walkable for convenient roof access and maintenance. Inside, seamless cove transitions between ceilings, walls, and floors allow for hassle-free cleaning. Effortlessly designed partitions for buffer rooms, gowning areas, or multi-suite layouts with reliable pressure cascades. Seamlessly incorporate cleanroom components like high-speed automatic doors and air showers to enhance performance and ensure compliance. Half-inch thick lining panels allow quick installation against existing facility walls. Unlike traditional construction, Terra's BioSafe wall panel system can be easily expanded or modified without demolition or messy construction. For pricing and information, contact us today by phone, chat, or email. Source smarter, source faster, Terra Universal.